Chairperson of the National Assembly of Vietnam. The Chairperson of the National Assembly of Vietnam, Vietnamese, Chủ tịch Quốc hội Việt Nam, formerly the Chairperson of the Standing Committee of the National Assembly of Vietnam, Chủ tịch Ủy ban Thường vụ Quốc hội Việt Nam from 1946 to 1981, is the legislative speaker of Vietnam, presiding over the National Assembly. The National Assembly is, in the words of the Constitution, the highest representative organ of the people, the highest organ of state power, the sole organ that has constitutional and legislative rights. The chairperson is elected by the deputies members of the National Assembly in the first season of the Assembly's tenure. The Standing Committee, of which the chairperson is a member, is a permanent body which controls the activities of the National Assembly when it is not in session. The chairman and the other members of the Standing Committee have to resign from their posts when the National Assembly dissolves itself, which it normally does every 5th year. The chairman presides over the sessions of the National Assembly and authenticates laws and resolutions passed by the National Assembly by signing them. The chairman leads the activities of the Standing Committee and organizes its external relations with other state bodies and is responsible for maintaining cordial relations between the members of the Standing Committee. The deputies of the National Assembly have the right to question the chairman. The powers and prestige of the office of chairman has varied throughout the years. For instance, the two first office holders, Nguyen Van Tu and Bui Bang Don, were not members of the Communist Party, while Truong Chin, fourth chairman, was ranked second in the Politburo hierarchy. Still, of the 10 people who have chaired the National Assembly, 5 of them have been members of the Politburo. The current chairman is Vương Đình Huệ, and he is ranked third in the Politburo hierarchy. Note 1. History. The first chairman of the Standing Committee of the National Assembly was the scholar Nguyen Van Tu. He was not a member of the Communist Party. On 3 March 1946, under the chairmanship of Nguyen Van Tu, the National Assembly formed the first government of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. Nguyen Van Tu was succeeded in office on 9 November 1946 by Bui Bang Don, a poet and another non-Communist Party member. While he was never a member of the Communist Party, he was a committed revolutionary. Ton Duc Thang succeeded Bui Bang Don as chairman in 1955 and was the first chairman to be a member of the Communist Party. Truong Chin became the fourth and longest-serving chairperson of the National Assembly in Vietnamese history, holding the post from 1960 to 1981, when he became chairman of the State Council, a newly established post. Nguyen Ho Tho, a Southerner, succeeded Truong in 1981 as chairman, but he was not a member of the Politburo. Nguyen Ho Tho stepped down as chairman in 1987 and was succeeded by Le Quang Dao, another non-Politburo member. As with Nguyen Ho Tho, Le Quang Dao's tenure lasted 1 term. Nong Duc Man was elected chairman in 1992 and held office until 2001. Nong was the first chairman who came from a minority background, the Tay, and was the first chairman since Truong, who was a Politburo member. Nong stepped down in 2001 and was succeeded by Nguyen Van En, who served as chairman from 2001 until 2006. On 26 June 2006, Nguyen Phu Trong was elected chairman with a majority of 84.58% of the National Assembly deputies in favor. Nguyen Phu Trong stepped down in 2011 because of his election to the post of General Secretary of the Central Committee of the Communist Party of Vietnam, and was succeeded by Nguyen Sinh Hung. Nguyen Sinh Hung stepped down on 31 March 2016 and was replaced by Nguyen Thi Kim Ngan. She's the first woman to hold the office. Nguyen Sinh Hung stepped down on 31 March 2021 and was replaced by Vương Đình Huệ. List.